Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Clarity English Studio, the place where English feels easy, calm, and enjoyable. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Mike. A big hello to all our amazing listeners wherever you are listening from right now.
We're really happy to spend time with you today. So, Mike, how are you doing?
I feel great, Sarah. I just looked outside and saw snow falling. Soft, white snow everywhere.
That is perfect, because today we're talking about winter.
Winter, my favorite season.
Your favorite? I thought you loved summer most.
I like summer too, but winter has something special. Snow, warm evenings, and of course, hot chocolate.
Ah, I knew it. It's all about the hot chocolate.
Maybe a little. Today we're going to learn how to talk about winter in English.
Yes, and this topic is super useful because winter comes every year, so we talk about it a lot.
Exactly. Weather, activities, and feelings. Winter gives us many things to discuss.
Before we start, we have a tiny request.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Clarity English Studio.
Hit the subscribe button, like this episode, and share it with friends. Learning together is always more fun.
Thank you so much. Now let's begin. What exactly is winter?
Winter is one of the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
And winter is the coldest season of the year.
In many countries, winter is December, January, and February.
But in the southern part of the world, winter is June, July, and August.
So friends in places like Australia or South America have winter when others have summer.
The world is amazing, isn't it?
It really is. Now, Mike, what's the first thing you think of when I say winter?
Cold.
Yes, that's winter's biggest feeling.
It's freezing outside. I need a warm coat.
Great word, freezing. Let's teach some important winter vocabulary.
Yes, words our listeners really need.
First word, cold. It means low temperature, the opposite of hot.
You might say, it's so cold today.
And when it's very cold, we say freezing.
For example, I'm freezing. I need to go inside.
Another word is chilly. It means a little cold, but not too bad.
Yes, chilly means you need a jacket, but you're not suffering.
Now let's talk about snow. Snow is frozen water falling from the sky.
Kids love snow. You can say, look at the snow, or it's snowing outside.
Snow is peaceful to watch.
Me too. Another word is ice, frozen water that's hard and slippery.
Slippery means easy to fall. You can say, be careful, the road is icy.
We also say frosty when there's thin ice on grass or windows.
And one of my favorite words, cozy.
Cozy means warm and comfortable. Sitting by the fire with tea feels cozy.
So our key winter words are cold, freezing, chilly, snow, ice, icy, frosty, and cozy.
Perfect. Let's use them in conversation.
So, Mike, what's the weather like today where you live?
It's very cold, about -5 degrees.
That's freezing.
Yes, and it snowed last night. Everything is white.
Fresh snow always looks beautiful.
It does, but the sidewalks are icy.
Be careful walking.
I almost slipped this morning.
Please stay safe. We need you here.
Don't worry, I'm okay. What about you, Sarah?
It's cold but not freezing, around 2 degrees.
That sounds chilly. Any snow?
Not yet, but maybe tomorrow.
Do you like snow?
Yes, snow makes everything quiet and calm.
It really does, but after a while, snow gets dirty.
True, fresh snow is best.
So what do you wear in winter, Sarah?
Let's talk winter clothes.
Important vocabulary.
I wear a warm coat.
Same here. Mine is thick and black.
I also wear a scarf to keep my neck warm.
Gloves are important too. Some people wear mittens.
And a hat or beanie to keep ears warm.
Winter boots are useful to stay dry and not slip.
So, winter clothes are coat, scarf, gloves, mittens, hat, beanie, and boots.
Great list. Now, what about winter activities?
I like staying inside where it's warm.
Honest answer.
I enjoy reading with a blanket. Very cozy.
And winter movie days are great.
With hot chocolate.
Always hot chocolate.
What about you, Mike?
I like outdoor winter fun.
Even when it's freezing?
Yes, skiing and ice skating are exciting.
Skiing is sliding down snowy mountains on skis.
And ice skating is sliding on ice with special shoes.
I fell many times when I tried.
Everyone does it first.
Sledding is fun too.
And building snowmen.
And snowball fights.
Winter is not boring at all.
No, it isn't. Winter is definitely not boring. Now, let's take a moment to talk about how winter actually feels for many people.
Sometimes winter makes me feel sleepy and a little slow. I just want to stay in bed longer because the days feel shorter and darker.
Same here. The dark mornings make it really difficult to wake up early and feel energetic. Getting out of bed becomes a challenge.
We often say winter makes us want to hibernate, just like animals that sleep through the cold season.
Like bears, they find a warm place, rest, and stay there for a long time.
But winter isn't only sleepy and cold, it can also feel very cozy, like being in a warm house with soft blankets and hot drinks.
Winter also brings holidays, family gatherings, and celebrations, which make the season feel special and meaningful.
It feels festive, full of lights and happiness, and sometimes even romantic with snowy nights and warm scarves.
And winter helps us appreciate spring even more, because after months of cold, warmth feels extra wonderful.
Winter is really a time to rest, slow down, think deeply, and spend quality time with the people we love.
And of course, to drink hot chocolate.
Always, hot chocolate is a winter must.
Now, let's practice some useful winter conversations that you can use in real life.
For example, if someone asks, "Do you like winter?" here are some natural answers you can give.
You could say, I love winter. I really enjoy the snow, the quiet evenings, and the cozy feeling at home.
Or you can say, "I don't really like winter. It feels too cold for me, and I prefer warmer weather."
Talking about the weather is a simple and friendly way to start a conversation in English.
You can say things like, "It's really cold today, isn't it?" Or, "The snow looks so beautiful this morning."
You can also say, be careful, the road is icy, which is helpful and kind.
Perfect. Now, Sarah, how can our listeners practice English using winter?
Try to notice the weather every single day and describe it in English, either out loud or in your mind.
And try learning one new winter word every day to slowly build your vocabulary.
And most importantly, enjoy the season instead of only thinking about the cold.
Exactly. Learning happens through real life. Learning is living.
We're getting close to the end of today's episode.
Time really goes fast when we're having a good conversation.
Before we go, we have a question for our wonderful listeners.
What is your favorite winter activity, and why do you enjoy it?
Write your answer in the comments so we can read it.
We truly read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
And don't forget to subscribe to Clarity English Studio so you don't miss future lessons.
Like the video, share it with your friends, and stay connected with us.
You are doing such a great job with your English. Keep learning and keep practicing.
Stay warm, stay healthy, and take good care of yourself.
We'll see you again very soon.
Happy learning. Goodbye.